Intermediate A. Intermediate A ang mag-umpire for the line judge. Court 2, start your game. Court 2, start your game. Court 1, start your game. So please prepare. Val and said, Miranda and Danny, kamo ang last game for the round 3. So after round 3, kayo na lang ang mag-line judge and umpire. And then sa intermediate A. Chaben, ay, napilang na pa rin. Gian. Kent Alberca. Kent Alberca. Dali sa match control. Alberca. Palit sa water niya sa likod. Dahil filling station sa likod. Dalawang ba't na isa na gano'n? Kaya po na ito. Another player will, he will receive or she will receive a stamp from Unix, from the Unix Philippines. Sponsored by Gigi from Gigi Manikis. So our winner for a stamp from Unix.
Tanungan ang spelling, screen. Si screen, na ba yung screen, anak? Score, please. Wrong spelling is wrong.
Gabriel.
Taro nga, taro nga. Taro nga ang experience score of
Hindi siya. Lorna ni Lord. Lorna! Not Lorna. So, isa Lorna. Nasa one asak from Unix Philippines from Ma'am Gigi Manikis. Lorna. Hindi siya Lord. Lorna. Patong black ito. Picture
Mark, sama kay kami, Mark.
Black yan na Unix. Our grand, nalatay 2 grand winners for the Unix bot. So, hindi na siya, ilarang before siya sa award.
Dapat score, then another comment ako nga, please kung may pag-comment din mo, ayo isumpay. Score, then send, then please, then send. Ana, mga na yung format score. Pagawan dali yan. Type lagi, type score, tapos send, then please, then send. Tawag ka na kasi mainin. Tawag na kasi mainin.
Please prepare ha, Danny and
Very
Miranda
good.
versus Balanset.
Very good. Score kay, wala. Score kay 13 all. 13 all. Utog. Utog. Balba, utog. Utog. Nakautog. Palawod. Joke lang, whiskey. Love, whiskey. Nagwala is 14, pero oh, kamo na timaan na. Oh, 14. Nalawag si Tata. Ala, nabali eh.
Last coach from
Birthday.
Paging the owner of NAM 7176. Paging the owner of the car NAM 7176. Kaya hindi ko nata eh. NAM 7176. Oh. 110 sa labas.
Okay, string na.
Eh, sama na kung tanong eh. Nana sa video.
Kano saan yung mahuman?
So, our next category, Val Ansed versus Miranda Andani on court 4. Court 4.
Wala. Intahan pa kaya. Sana lang. Oh, balik eh.
Pero, ang
Miranda Andani versus Val Ansed on court 4.
ayaw ka kung gusto mo kung paano ulit lang. Gawan mo.
Court 1, so pamangkain judge lahat ng mga intermediate A. Michelle, get down, get down, get down. So, intermediate A will replace. So, lahat ng mga intermediate A, sila na mag-guide ko sa umpire. Okay, on court 1. On court 1, umpire, Jerry. Jerry, umpire on court 1. Line judge, Rio and Lange. Rio and Lange, line judge. Court 1 and court 1. Rio and Lange. Asa si Rio sa Lange? Rio na kaya. Hindi ko na rayo na. Rio and Lange. Hindi ko na Lange kay. That's perfect. Faith and Sean versus Tyrone and Aaron on court 1. Faith and Sean versus Tyrone and Aaron on court 1. Lunch and Rio, court 1. For women's doubles. Okay. Let's proceed to round 3. Our first player for round 3 It's Ami and Beth versus Angelica and Ingrid on court 3. On court 3, round 3, Ami and Beth versus Angelica and Ingrid on court 3. Umpire! Ang umpire ng court 3. Sino ba yung mga... gusto ko yung mga mayat-mayat na umpire. Mga mayat-mayat na umpire. Kietron! Kietron, umpire in court 3. Kietron, umpire in court 3. Line judge. Line judge. Court 4, si Danny, asa naman yung court 4? Si Danny and... Wala na yung judge ito? Or umpire? Umpire on court 4, Maki! Maki, umpire on court 4, line judge, J. Poy and John Lowy. Line judge on court 4.
Anak sa labing, hindi ko kabalong na.
Human, what? Court 4. Court 4 lang. Court 4, si Maki ang umpire, line judge, John Lowy and J. Poy. Maki, asa si Maki? Maki? So, okay, on court 4? Court 3. Sino yung sa court 3? Maki Ingrid and last call for Ami and Beth, last call, court 3. Line judge on court 3. Okay, ito. Val and Seth. Ay, ito, naglaro na si Val and Seth, no? It's Chris and Nico, line judge on court 3. Chris and Nico, line judge on court 3. Saan si Chris and Nico? Nico and Chris from Power Match. No, it's not. Hindi pwede. No, it's not. I assign to one of you. It's not your turn. Okay. Dili man, A ba mo, B? B man ata kayo. B man mo, di ba? B? Oh, A pa. A lang assign ka, hindi B. So, B, Neil and Martin na lang. Neil and Martin on court 3. Marvin, line judge. From Batang Pagtukan, si Neil ang taga Batang Pagtukan na walay apan. Suguon nimo, sugot ng sugot, bisag na lagot. Okay na ka, Neil? Neil ng Batang Pagtukan? Saan si Neil ng Batang Pagtukan? Okay. Okay na sugot, bahala ng lagot. Okay, thank you. Diyan pa din nila, I love you, Neil. Ang court 2, Aiko, baba na lang ha. Okay. After Anna. So on court 2, please prepare. Michelle and Nicole versus Erica and Aiko on court 2. Please prepare. Michelle and Nicole. Michelle and Nicole versus Aiko and Erica. Court 2. Okay. So, ang atong umpire karon sa court 2